So we have this pretty strong downtrend here. Uh, we have a break and a move to a new low, but and what looks like a sell climax, a very strong sell-off. But it's important to point out that there's no gap above the EMA here. So we have this strong move down, no gap above the EMA. So when you get this strong rally, it's probably okay to look for a sell opportunity. And I think people probably and computers probably sold this close because it was near the high of this, what could be a potential range. Any of these three are reasonable shorts. Um, Here, you might get a small profit. Maybe you take profits at 50% of this move. That makes clear sense because often you'll draw this range and it'll bounce off the midline if you have the midline drawn. So 50%, you could come out with a small loss if you sell, let's say, a limit order at the open of this final buy climax bar. Maybe you get a small win, small profit if you take profits above this bear bar. Maybe you get a small loss if it comes back and just stops you out. The second one, you probably get a small loss. It ticks lower and then immediately goes higher. But this third one is a very good setup, and let's talk about why. You get these 4 consecutive bull bars. First of all, we have this one leg already. You get these 4 consecutive bull bars, but this last one ticked lower. That could just mean that it's strong because it finishes on its high, but we didn't go higher than this yet. These aren't large bull bars, and it's immediately followed by a doji. So I would say that's a good sign for the bears. I think a lot of people probably sold right here. You get this small bar that follows, then you get a final buy climax bar. I think this is a great short, and when this one doesn't show a whole lot of follow through, I think that's good. And once you get this bear bar right here, if you're not in, I think this is a great place to get short. Usually after there's a gap above the EMA, you get one more attempt to go lower. And you can see, right now, it looks like we're bottoming out. We could, drop another 200 points, but we're finding support along a certain level. So I think this was just some good analysis of like entering, after a trend is over.